I mean, the money is out there to be made. I always tell people it's just a matter of taking action. Take some action and follow somebody who's done it before. You know, if you can find a mentor and you're able to ask people questions. You know, I mean, obviously I have a ton of experience in the industry, in retail. So I understand products that have demand, that don't have demand, that sit around, that move quickly. I get what swimming is: source, sell, what is moving. So when you're a student of mine, the most important thing to me is that you succeed as a student, that you're benefiting from all the information that I'm giving you as a student, okay? And that you're taking action and that you're having fun, man. I honestly, there's nothing I've ever done, including sports, including work, business, other than my family, children. There's nothing that I've ever done that I've had more fun doing than selling on Amazon, sourcing products, going on Jungle Scout, sourcing products from China. It is literally a challenge. It is competitive for me. It is interesting, intense. It's risky. It's sometimes scary. Sometimes scary. It's all of those things combined in one. And that's what makes it so great. It just makes it so great that you're getting out of your box, getting out of your shell. You're living a little bit. You know, you're living a little bit. You're experiencing fear. You're experiencing risk. You're experiencing reward. You're doing it for yourself. You get to understand what hard work means. It is now 1:38 in the morning. I got to get up at 7:30, 8 o'clock, and get ready for work for 9, 10 o'clock. You know, I'm going to sleep for 6 hours. I'm going to do the same thing tomorrow. I'm going to source at some point tomorrow. I'm going to do some product research tomorrow. I'm going to go and do a live or a video or some sort of content tomorrow. Probably it'll be this new channel tomorrow. So a lot of things going on tomorrow. It's a kind of a semi-free day. Like I said, this Amazon business has been one of, if not the funnest thing I've personally ever done to make money, because it's so rewarding and because the potential to do astronomical things is there, and the ability to help other people start with $100, start with $200, $500, start their business with $1,000, $5,000, whatever income they have. I can help them start their business. To me, is special in itself, to be able to help people sell on Amazon and create this passive income that comes in while they're working their traditional job, while they're working their traditional business. Or maybe it's an income stream for a student, or an income stream for a grandparent, or an income stream for a family that they didn't have before, that can help pay bills, pay off credit cards, pay off debt, help them travel, help them buy a car, buy something that they need, help them go places that they want to go, because this income stream is coming in, and eventually maybe help them do what I did, help them retire their wife, and eventually maybe I'll just leave my work and do this full time. I would in a heartbeat. So much available from it. So many cool things to do. My little 5-year-old yesterday, all she wanted to do was help dad and mom go do retail arbitrage. And when we got to a store, she would pick out books that, oh, can we sell this? And she would pick out not just one, but she'd pick out like 3 of the same book. You know, it's a random book. You know, I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, that one, no, doesn't make any money, Carrie, you can't do that one. You know, but how about this one? You did this one last time, you want to do this one again? So she picked out 2 of those. her last book that she picked out sold, took like a month to sell, eventually sold. She made some money on it. And now she's going to do the second one. She's 5 years old. So passing on a business to your children that they can do in the future may be something that is a legacy that you want to leave your family. That is important to me. I think that is kind of cool to me that they want to do this. They're young, obviously. That's kind of just, they want to hang out session with mom and dad. My older son wants to start his private label business as soon as he turned 19. So that is really cool. I think because he understands that it's not about the product, it's about the actual demand and all that type of stuff, and doing the research and doing your homework first. So those are all just great reasons to do this, right? So hit that link, jump on that link in the description section, jump on the course, go read the information and go do your homework first. Don't take my word for it. I'm just Superman. But go do your homework first and make an informed decision. I give you ample content on exactly what you're going to learn. Watch, you know, the videos that I put up there that you can see for free. Go on my YouTube channel, watch some of the other videos. I try to be as clear and informative as possible and give people additional information on my YouTube channel so everybody's kind of benefiting, not just the people that are in my course.